Welcome to Sacramento Real Estate Boys. Hop on in and put your seatbelt on, and let's talk a little bit about real estate. One of the things that I thought I would share with the readers is that I have recently become certified as a distressed property expert. And this means that I've gone and taken the classes and know how to sell short sale so that the banks can actually and will accept a short sale. There's quite an art to this, ever changing, and so this is something that I've taken the time and the money to do so that my clients, homeowners that are having difficulty paying their mortgage payment, will find that I can make this as easy as possible for them and save them from a foreclosure. Foreclosure obviously hurts your credit a whole lot more than a short sale, and for a lot longer than a short sale. So this is something that I do recommend. I recommend that anyone that is having difficulty paying their house payment, you know, if you can get a loan modification, that's great. But if you can, that's wonderful. And if that doesn't work for you, then a short sale is the next best opportunity. So I just wanted to let all of you know that I am a certified distressed property expert, and I can take care of your short sale if you are having trouble paying your mortgage loan. And you do need to qualify for a short sale, and give me a call. We'll go through the information and see if you do in fact qualify for a short sale. So it's very important to first of all be qualified, and secondly to have a realtor who is certified and knows what they're doing with a short sale and knows how to submit a short sale to the banks and to follow up with the banks. So it's in your best interest to be sure and call a certified property expert to list your home as a short sale if you are having trouble paying your mortgage. So that is my tip for all of the homeowners who are having difficulty paying their mortgage. Do give me a call and I will come by and see if you qualify for a short sale. In the meantime, have a great week, and I'll see you back here on Sacramento Real Estate Boys. Thanks for popping in. Bye-bye.